Netflix plan change. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually change Netflix plans, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change a Netflix plan, all you have to do is go to netflix.com and log into your account. So we're not going to do this from the app because the application doesn't have such option. So instead you have to open your browser and go to netflix.com, and once you're here on this page, you want to make sure to tap the three lines option from the top left and go to this option here known as account. Now if you come to account option, if you scroll down here, you'll find your current plan, which is under plan details, which is my mobile plan in this case. Now right underneath it you'll find the option called change plan. Now in my case it is not showing because my payment method is currently on hold. I have not renewed my subscription, but if you have renewed your subscription and if you want to change your plan, you can see plan details. From mobile you can simply tap on change plan, and there are 4 types of plan. You can switch to any of those plans and the changes will take place instantly. This way you should be able to go and change Netflix plan. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.